welcome to JD's Prep. All right, so we have a few questions about glacial features, and we are given a map here which is showing some glacial features formed by a continental glacier and its meltwater. Our first question is about the terminal moraine, which is right here. So describe the arrangement of sediments found within the terminal moraine, which marks the furthest advance of the glacier. So a terminal moraine, it's as far as the glacier got, so at some point in time it was out here, and it's pushing sediment along, which is why when it retreats, it leaves the moraine there. So because of that, the sediment there is unsorted. It's just a mixed, unlayered amount of, or different types of sediment all mixed up. There is not any specific sorting for it. Next, we're asked to identify the correct order of these diagrams. A, B, C, D represent 4 stages in the development of a kettle lake. They're not shown in the correct order, so we need to figure this out. So first off, we have a block of glacial ice sitting on top of sediments. Meanwhile, the sediment builds up around the ice, eventually covering it as that ice is melting. And eventually we have that top layer collapsing and it filling with water, and we get our kettle lake there. So the correct order would be C, B, D, A. And lastly, terminal moraines found on Long Island were deposited during the advance and retreat of glacial ice during the last ice age. Identify by name the geologic epoch during which these moraines were deposited. So we're looking at important geologic events in New York. This is our geologic history from our reference tables. And right here at the top, we have the advance and the retreat of the last continental ice, which occurred in the Pleistocene epoch. All right, thank you for using JD's Prep.